After doing question on existence of limit, we now will start continuity. First, we define continuity as geometrically a function is said to be continuous if there is no break or hole or gap or vertical displacement in the graph of a function corresponding to a point. Otherwise, function is said to be discontinuous. Here, we consider some cases of continuity and differentiability. Here, graph of y equal to fx corresponding to x equal to a, there is no gap on the curve. If we cross from left to right, we do not lift the pen. But here, at x equal to a, there is a break or vertical jump or displacement in graph. Similarly, again at x equal to a, vertical displacement at x equal to a, vertical displacement at x equal to a, vertical displacement. In all these four cases, we say functions is discontinuous at x equal to a. Theoretically, if we want to check function is continuous at a point or not, we have a criteria theoretically, analytically to check continuity of a function at a point in its domain. Continuity of a function at a point in its domain. Let x equal to a is a point in domain of a function. Then limit of fx at x tends to a minus equal to limit of fx x tends to a plus equal to fa. Here fs should be unique definite real number. These two combines will give existence of limit at x equal to a of function fx. And limiting value of fx at x equal to a equal to functional value at a. Then we say that function is continuous at x equal to a. Here we compare L and fa. In previous article, existence of limit. Limiting value may be finite or infinite. In case of existence of limit, these two will give common value finite or infinite common value. But here, in case of continuity, all these always unique definite real number. Any one of equality disturbed, in this case function will not be continuous at x equal to a. Here we generally use a term continuous function. Continuous functions means function is continuous at all points in its domain. Function is continuous in entire domain, then function is called continuous function. Because, as for example, domain of modulus function is R and modulus function is continuous everywhere. Any polynomial function is continuous in its domain. Logarithmic function continuous in its domain. Log x, domain is x greater than 0. So obviously graph of logarithmic function is this, or x greater than 0, log x is continuous. If we use term everywhere continuous, means continuity in entire real number system. Now we discuss different examples on continuity of a function at a point.